All right, let's do the same thing with perpendicular lines. They're going to give you the equation of a line. They're going to give you a random point that is not on the line. And they're going to ask you to write the equation of the line that's perpendicular to the first one through that random point. So essentially, they are asking for the equation of this green dotted line. All right, we know the slope of this green dotted line because it's perpendicular. We know that if we have the slope of this line, we can flip it upside down, change the sign, and we would get a perpendicular slope. And they've given us a point. So that means we can substitute it into the point-slope equation. So here's our steps mathematically. First, we need to make sure that the equation they give us, the y, is alone, so that we can identify which one of those numbers is the slope. Then we're going to take that slope, flip it upside down, change it to a positive or a negative, the opposite sign, and then we have a new slope for this green line that we can substitute in our point-slope equation with the point that they've given us. All right, let's do it mathematically. All right, same thing we just had visually, let's do it mathematically. So we make sure that the y is alone, so it's y equals m x plus b. So the original slope is 1/2. We need the perpendicular slope. So perpendicular slope would be flip it upside down, change the sign, so positive now becomes a negative, new slope. New slope, random point, point-slope equation, if I can get the lid off. Oh, there we go. All right, let's substitute it in. We put our new slope for the perpendicular line here. Our x is here, our y is here. All right, let's get the y alone because remember we still need to get it to slope-intercept form. So we're going to distribute the -2, -2x plus 4, negative. Almost. Just got to get that y alone. Add 5 to both sides. We got y is equal to -2x plus 9. All right, now let's go back to our original picture and see how close our sketch was. So our y-intercept is going to be 9. Well, it definitely is going to be somewhere up there. And remember, this is just a sketch, so that looks about right. Negative slope, it's pretty steep, it's a 2, and it's going to cross somewhere up there at 9. Pretty easy. Take the slope, flip it around, plug in your new slope with your point, you're good to go. And remember, you know you love math.